Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer BNB from Uphold to Phantom Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll break it down step by step so you can do it confidently. Whether you're building your Solana ecosystem or just managing your assets, transferring BNB is a key skill. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Phantom Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom Wallet app from your app store and create a wallet. It's free and secure. Think of it as your personal crypto vault. Once you're logged into Uphold, head over to your BNB balance. Double check that you have enough funds. Remember, crypto transfers often involve network fees, so keep a little extra on hand. Next, open your Phantom Wallet and generate a deposit address for BNB. This is crucial. Copy it carefully because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. In Uphold, navigate to the withdrawal section for BNB. Select the BNB network. By 2025, it might default to BEP20 for faster transfers, but confirm it's compatible with Phantom, which supports Solana's ecosystem indirectly through bridges. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to avoid any mishaps. Paste your Phantom Wallet address into the withdrawal form and double-check for accuracy. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. Review it, then approve the withdrawal. This might require two-factor authentication for security, always a good thing. Sit tight while the transaction processes. In 2025, with improved blockchain speeds, this could take just a few minutes, but keep an eye on your email or app notifications. Once it's done, hop back into Phantom Wallet and refresh your balance. Voila! Your BNB should be there. One quick tip. If you encounter any errors, like network mismatches, ensure both platforms are using the same blockchain type. And always verify addresses to prevent losses. That's it for today's guide. You've now mastered transferring BNB from Uphold to Phantom. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto hacks, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.